we are a fast-paced industry, and having to constantly push our products into the next thing that's needed for the market is very challenging and enjoyable to do.
We're working with industry leaders in cloud data center solutions and social media companies that my kids are actively using their services. And that's been really cool to see that transition in the industry.
Storage is in a constant state of innovation because how data is created and consumed. And we here at DCS get to drive that innovation by defining products that cater to that industry.
I get to see the entire pipeline from the product going from feasibility and conception all the way to the end silicon fab and then eventually into our customers' hands.
Well, really every day is fun and exciting. We have new challenges to solve every day. We're working with some very interesting technologies, including artificial intelligence and machine learning, working with the industry leaders in cloud data centers and social media companies. And really, it's fun and exciting to be learning in this very fast-moving industry that we're participating in.
I enjoy finding solutions for our products. Not only do I get to do this on my own, but I get to work with a lot of different people so we can see different solutions to the problem to find the best for our products.
Engineering's a bit of a bug. You get hooked and they present you with problems and you want to find the answer. And so when you finish and you deliver something, it feels wonderful.
The microchip products span FPGAs, security devices, storage controllers, wireless, analog, power. With the breadth and depth of our portfolio, the employee has the opportunity to go between different functions within a given division or move to a different division and learn something new. The work is always fast-paced and it's very interesting. I really enjoy what I do. I get to work with customers. I get to see how our products are being used in the real world, and that's always very fulfilling.
We are tasked with keeping pace with the demands of technology. Our commitment drives us forward to innovate. We truly get to define the future.
Microchip is a large company that offers a lot of opportunities. When you're here, you can talk to anyone in the company to find out what they do and find out what interests you.
I'm excited to do my internship here at Microchip. The company provided me with opportunity to learn and work with cutting-edge technologies. I also enjoy interacting with different people, including the enterprise customers. I never thought I would get such an exposure and hands-on experience in these advanced technologies.
It's a team atmosphere, it's a team environment. It takes a lot of different disciplines to come together and support each other to bring a complex product to market like we do. And we're driven.
We definitely help each other out, even if we're across the globe with all of our different teams, and we have a certain drive towards technical innovation. And so you get that sense of community as well as the focus of technical innovation, and I think that's something that's very unique.
The company values group cooperation. It is through the minds of many that we are able to create these products by having people give different solutions, and then we can find the best one for the product.
There's a lot of diversity, and it's a very nurturing environment. There's a lot of emphasis on helping somebody reach their potential. And if that means if you want to move to a different team, that's always encouraged. If you want to move to a different division, that's encouraged as well. So you're supported in your quest for new opportunities, and that's always a good thing.
Well, there's really a wide variety of engineering roles that are required to bring our products to market. There's everything from a lab environment as a validation engineer, inventing experiments to test our products. There's operational type of roles where our engineers are testing our products in a manufacturing environment, to more of a strategic marketing or products requirement type of role where we're looking at the market and trying to figure out what type of products or product requirements are needed to be successful in that market. And so really there's quite a wide variety of experiences, those and many more, that are required to be successful within our market space.
A good candidate is someone who can individually contribute while also working in a group. We do a mix of firmware and hardware that requires a large group to find a solution and then each person individually contribute. Also a good candidate is someone who is willing to reach out for input on a solution and willing to accept others to reach out to them so we can find the best solution for our products.
There's a lot of opportunities here at DCS and within Microchip. And if you have an idea, you can definitely bring that to the management level. A lot of times they'll let you run with that idea and see it to fruition. And I think that's something that's very important no matter what level of your career you're at, because you get a lot of different exposure to different management levels as well as other functional groups within the organization, and that provides a breadth for your career.
A great reward is after all the hours of work you put into a product to finally see it come to market and see how the customers use it.
The biggest reward is being part of an amazing team and working on truly cutting-edge technology. I've had the pleasure of seeing our devices being turned into revolutionary products. Many of these design journeys have been accompanied by what felt like impossible issues at the time, but looking back, I think those are the very issues that I learned the most from and that I have grown the most from. So once you've solved an issue, it truly makes up for all the exasperation that you feel along the way.